Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Destash video. So this is going to be PayPal, friends and family only, US 18 years or older, and please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. My email address is fphandmade@gmail.com, and this will be a Christmas lot, and it's going for $35 ship. And if you email me today and pay today, I can get it in the mail today. So let's get started. Today being Saturday. First off, you get this chipboard accent piece from Echo Park. There have been pieces used, but I'm just gonna throw this in here for the extra pieces. Another chipboard accent from Echo Park. Some are missing, but it's quite a few on here. And here's another one from Echo Park. It's completely filled. Never been used, or not used. And then here's another chipboard accent from Echo Park. And one more that has two missing, chipboard accent from Echo Park. And another one with a couple missing and chipboard accents from Echo Park. So then I have some 12 by 12 paper from Martha Stewart. And this is, doesn't have a name, single-sided sheets. But you can see it's pretty full. Love that page there. And that's Martha Stewart paper pad. And then I have another Martha Stewart paper pad. This is 12 by 12 also. And I think a couple of sheets have been used up. This one, it does have quarter parts in there. Just some really pretty colors. That's Martha Stewart. I have this Authentique 6x6 paper pad, and some of the pages have been used. There's some cute little sweet cutter parts there. And then I have another Martha Stewart paper pad. I'm not sure if any of the paper has been used out of this one, but possibly. And then I have this Emma Griffin foil paper pad. Really pretty designs there. And then I have this frosted peppermint. This is DCWV. This came out this year, and I think I used one sheet of it. So that's the paper and the chipboard there. And then I have a little bit more chipboard. This is the Jolly and Merry set Santa Baby. And it's complete. I hope I can get it all in the screen there. And then I have another one, Santa Baby. One is missing out of this one. Or two, no, one. And then I have this Bow Bunny chipboard sets, 49 pieces. I think this is complete, yeah. So that's chipboard, and then I have some ephemera, and let's see, I have this holiday cheer ribbon. It says Merry Christmas. And then I have these Tim Holtz Woodland mini tree lots. And then I have this Market Street flares. And these rub-on Merry Christmas. There's some stickers here. More stickers. Stickers. Some embellishments here. I think it's missing one there. I think it's 3 of these, yeah. So that's the piece that's missing from that one, and the piece that's missing from that one. And this is DCWV Falling Leaves stickers. This is kind of fall, but I thought I'd throw this in here. And there's some more Christmas stickers. A couple of them are missing there. And these stickers, these are from, probably recognize them from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this stamp set by, I think it's Hero Arts. And it says peace, and it has some other sentiments. You can't really see it. It's stained, but it works perfectly. And then I have this 13th piece new set from Recollection. This scrapbook.com bold and beautiful, bold Big and Bold Christmas. I think I used that one this year. Super sweet. And then from Alte&New, this Christmas set, I think it's called Lyrical Script. So really pretty. So if you're interested in this Destash, be sure to let me know. Email me at fphandmade.com. Not .com, fphandmade@gmail.com. And remember, it's PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years old or older. And please pay within an hour of email confirmation receipt from me. So if you're interested, let me know. This is $35 ship. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.